In this tutorial, we will create one more 3D object and see the application of different 3D commands. So in this, we will be creating this 3D object. So let's see how to do that. So we are already in 3D modeling. So at first we have to switch to southeast isometric view. So we will select SC isometric. Then we will give UCS icon. We will take fourth option, no origin. Then if we study this object contains this 80 by 120 rectangle here and at the top, and that need to be extruded by 15 thickness. So at first we will create this 80 by 120 rectangle. So for that we will give a rectangle command, give the start point, right click, dimensions, then length in x direction is 120, in y direction is 80. Then click the directions and double click the roller for zoom extend. Then we will press pull it by 15, press pull, click internal surface, then give the direction upper side by 15. So this plate is ready. Now after that we want to create this portion. So to create this portion, the thickness of this portion is 20. So at the bottom edge we will copy this edge on 20. So for that we will go to extract edges, copy edges, select this edge, enter base point direction, make ortho on for straight line, give thickness of 20. So this line is created. So we will just press pull it. So height will be 50 plus 80 is the diameter. 80 is the diameter, that means 40, 90. So we will press pull it by 90. So we will just say press pull, select this portion and give a height of 90. So this portion has been press pulled. So we will move back to southeast isometric. So in this way, so we will just see how it looks in conceptual visual style. So in this way this object is created. Now here circle is there at a distance of 50 from the top. So we will just copy edge, this edge, enter base point direction. So at the bottom we have to go by distance of 50. So okay, the height is not correct, so we have to reduce this 15 actually. So we will press pull it back and reduce this by 15. So we will reduce the height by 15, press pull because 15 is already there in the previous press pull. So we will reduce by 15, use 15. Okay, so now it is correct. So here we want to draw a circle. So for that, to change the UCS automatically, you can also use the dynamic UCS. So just click on this button. So dynamic UCS is on. Just give the circle command, C enter. Then go inside this portion, circle. Then just go inside the portion. So it will highlight that plane, and just on this midpoint I want to draw a circle of 40 radius. So in this way it has been created. So I don't want this corner edges, so those edges I can remove using press pull again. So I will just say press pull. I will take this portion, click on press pull, take this portion, the corner, and go inside and just click. So it is removed. Again enter to repeat the press pull. Just take this portion, go inside and click. So this portion is removed. Then we want a circle at the here 32 diameter circle is there. So we will create one circle there. Again circle, center point here at the mid. So it is creating in top. So at first we have to select the plane. We are using dynamic UCS. So go on the plane at first, plane is highlighted, then go at the location where you want to draw the circle, so it will be drawn in that plane. So we want 32, that is 18 radius, 18 is 36, so we can say diameter 32. So here a circle of 32 is drawn. So we don't want this line, we will erase it, select and erase. Now we will press pull and create the hole inside there. So just say select this portion, go inside and click. So hole is removed. And we don't want this circle also, so we will just select it. Okay, for easy selection we will switch to 2D wireframe. Now we will give erase, select it and erase it. So it has been removed. Now we will switch back to conceptual. Now we want this portion to be on this side also. So this is a complete one side. We will use a mirror 3D. So just give mirror 3D, mirror 3D, enter, then select the object, enter, then give right click and say 3 point. So we will be mirroring at the middle of these lines. So we will just say middle of this line. So those 3 points will define the plane around which you want to mirror. So this is second point and this is my third point. And I don't want to erase the source object, just say no. So it has been mirrored on the opposite side. So these are two separate objects now. So we will just union them to make them one. So just say union and select both of them. So both of them will become single object. Now it is a single object. Then we have to create now top portion. So here is a circle of 80 diameter outside. So we will create a circle. So we will create a line, reference line from mid to mid. So from mid of this line to the mid of opposite line. And now here we will create a circle of 80 diameter, 40 radius. So just say circle and give the midpoint and give the radius of 40. Then again internal line I don't want, so I will just erase it. Go to 2D wireframe, erase, select the internal line. Again switch back to conceptual visual style. Then just press pull this circle by 20 height. So press pull, go inside the circle, give the direction and give the height of 20. So again their internal hole is there. So it is of 60. So I will need a circle of 60 diameter. So again circle at the center of this circle. So it is not showing the center. So I will just make, okay, I will just say shift right click center. So center of this circle it is highlighting. Just click on that and give the radius of 30. Just say enter. So 30 radius circle is drawn. Then I want it to be press pull by 15 depth. So I will just say press pull. Go inside, go down and give a depth of 15. So this hole is created of 15. Then there is one more hole is of dia 30, that is 15 radius. So at the bottom, at the center of the bottom circle, so I will just say circle again and I will click on this center point and radius of 15. So this internal hole is ready here. So again I will say press pull. I will click on that internal circle, then just go down and click. So internal hole is ready. So in this way this object is ready. You can color this object. Just right click on the home, then show panels and say properties. Just select the object and from here you can choose the desired object. So suppose I want green, just press escape. So in this way this object is ready. So we will stop here. Thanks for joining.